Yeah. So let me take a control. I hope my voice is clear online team. Uh, so Wajid sir, maybe I can talk with admin and I can update you actually. Okay. Maybe when it will be? Monday? Huh? Okay. Okay. So let me talk with admin. As of now, I don't have any update actually. Even we have, sir. We have actually. I will update. If holiday, I will update actually. Okay. Yeah, fine then. Let me create the running notes for today. This Saturday morning 9 a.m. there is a special session. AI agents actually. Maybe in Nourish group, I hope you got an update. If you didn't get, let me announce officially. Okay, let me talk with you. How is ML practice is going on? You're doing on regular practice and do it actually. ML, every example minimum execute 5 to 10 times and use even ChatGPT to get more and more examples based on domain base actually, right? And now today, are we done decision tree yesterday? Yeah, classify we done. Now the continuation topic will be random forest, sir. What is the topic name? Random forest. There is a reason why this one will be the continuation actually. 27. Yeah, it's a yo, very important topic, sir. Careful cross validation. After random forest, get ready. What is upcoming topic? Talk with me. K-fold cross validation. Don't worry, I know the order. Maybe this one, I mean, follow the order how I'm executing, how I'm driving actually completely. Please follow that one. That it would be helpful for you. Okay. So let me just try to take a control. Daniel, this we done. This one is a running topic. Oh, 17th topic upload missing or what? Maybe I already told there are numbers same actually. You are asking for what? That's what. Both are same, sir. Maybe did you miss that day discussion? I told this both are same. That number mismatched actually. This one should be 17. I can update accordingly. I already covered that point. The same day I already told actually. A kind update coming Saturday. Coming Saturday morning 9 a.m. So till 11 a.m. maybe 2 hours workshop actually. Workshop. It will be online mode. Online mode actually. The topic will be AI agents. Why AI agents? And why one of the trending topic actually. I can talk with material. I can talk with what exactly? Material. Many people then talking with without material, but I hope you know my specialty. I will talk with material and examples. You can in live you can run the examples actually. You will get an idea. Okay. It's online. It's online, offline also, but Maybe this session will be crowded actually. I will be at Naresh IT only. I will deliver the session. I will update. Okay. Fine then. Yeah. Random forest actual. Important, sir. Let me tell you. Uh, can you tell me after list to data structure, what is the next topic I have covered? Tuple. That order is important. Same thing like that. After decision tree, immediately anyone will cover, any trainer actually, the topic name is called as a random forest. There is a relation. Please understand what type of relation actually. Are you with me? Right. So this order is important. This order is important actually. Important. So the list and tuple, decision, next one will be series and data frame. Next one is a series and data frame. Same thing like that, decision tree and random forest actually. The order is very, very important. The next one, series and what exactly? Data frame. The next one, decision tree. The next one, random forest. Make a note on this. Okay. Let's move on. Random forest is a supervised learning technique. It can be used for both classification and what exactly? A regression problem. A random forest is a concept of ensemble learning. What is that? Random forest is a concept of Chapane. Ensemble learning. What do you mean by ensemble learning, Daniel? Let us spend some time. What do you mean by ensemble learning? Okay. When you're talking about ensemble learning, ensure that we have to understand these are all points actually. What are the points you know? If you wanted to understand what do you mean by ensemble learning, then I need to explain few examples actually. Examples. The examples will be case number one. Case number one. Imagine there are two cases I'm planning to take. Case number one and case number two. Case number one. Case number two is ensemble learning. Case number one is not ensemble learning. Let me tell you. Tim, I have done my 10th class. I have done my what exactly? SSC. So and so year. Then those days in my family, no one not studied till 10th class actually. I mean, my brother also he studied, but he is not that much aware, like what supposed to travel with the next level actually. And though I done my 10th class, generally I used to follow my seniors. Then I called to one of my seniors. Senior name is called as a Suri Narayana. What is that name actually? Suri Narayana. Then during the playing cricket, I asked him one question. Anna, I done my 10th class. So recently I done my 10th class, and can you please suggest me what is the next what is the next step actually? I'm asking in inter which group I need to join. Then I thought he will suggest immediately, but what he asked, show me the data. What do you mean by that? Show me the 10th class marks. So show me 10th class marks actually. Then I have explained about in Telugu, Hindi, English, Science, Social, Maths. These are all 6 subjects I explained actually. Then he suggested go for MPC. He suggested go for MPC actually. Right. Frankly speaking, this is called as a decision tree. This is called as a to take the decision. You are depending upon only one suggestion. Come on, let me tell you. To take the decision, you are depending upon only one suggestion. Scenario number one. Scenario number two. What is the next scenario, sir? Yeah, as usual, I done my 10th class. Think like, this one. But almost, I have contacted almost 6 to 7 members, my seniors. Person number one, think like, Surya Narayana. Person number two, a kind of some Nani. Person number three, kind of some Prasad. Prasad. Then person number 4, kind of some Revati actually. Person number 5, kind of some, it's okay, Rani. These are all. Suri, what he suggested, go for MPC. Nani, he suggested to go for CAC. Prasad, he suggested for go for MPC. CAC actually. Rani, MPC. Can you tell me CAC how many times? Very good. 2 times actually. MPC how many times? 3 times actually. Am I right? 1, 2, 3. Let me take one more thing. The 6th one will be kind of some Sudhakar actually. Sudhakar sir. Sudhakar sir. My tuition master actually. He also suggested to go for MPC. MPC how many? Sir, this is called as a ensemble learning. This is called as a, what do you mean by ensemble learning, To take the decision, you are depending upon multiple suggestions. You are depends on multiple. Out of multiple suggestions, it's the right time where there is a more voting classifier. It's a right time voting system. CEC, how many members? 2. MPC, how many members? Then definitely I can go for MPC actually. This is exactly called as a ensemble learning technique. Daniel, what do you mean by ensemble learning technique? In a ensemble, decision tree means only one algorithm it runs in the backend actually. But in a random forest, almost more decision trees it will run, and it will apply voting classifier, and it will tell, this one is came number of times actually, this one is output. This one is what exactly, sir? Output. It is something like, whenever you are learning about the random forest, you are trying to applying group of models. You're trying to apply all models work together. Then every model will bring the result. Then finally you need to apply voting system. Finally you need to apply. That is called as a ensemble learning. What learning, sir? Can I get a response from you? Yeah, good. I hope you understand. The first one is called as a decision tree. First one is called as what exactly, sir? Decision tree. Let me tell you, in a decision tree, sir, it may fail. Unfortunately, I have reached to CSC instead of Surnarana. He suggested what exactly? Then, here it may be fail actual. Right? Luckily, it got passed actually. Okay. Now, random forest is a concept of ensemble learning, Daniel. Daniel, what do you mean by ensemble learning? Ensemble learning in the sense, it is the process of combining multiple classifiers to solve a complex problems and improve what exactly mean? Performance of the model. Sometimes we may have some kind of some complex problems. A single model, instead of single model, let us apply group of models. Let us apply. Then all these models works together with the data. I mean, I'm sorry, not works together. Every model works with the data. Every model will bring the result actually. Will bring. Let me show you one practical example. Model number 1, model number 2, model number 3. These are all working together. Then next one will be, this is called as a ensemble model. Did you remember in Telugu there is one proverb actually? ఒక కర్ర అయితే వెంటనే ఎరిపోతుంది. Group of sticks actually cannot break very quickly. Single stick we can break very quickly. Am I right? Same story here also. Same story here also. Now let me show you one small diagram. Look at the diagram, sir. Yeah. Think like, here the prediction will be one model, then prediction 1. Another model, then prediction 0. 1, 1, 1, 0. Then it's the right time for counting. Sir, how many ones actually? 6 ones. How many threes? How many zeros? 3s. Can you tell me what is the right prediction? 1 actually. Okay. Seriously great. You need to be understand this. Okay. This is the process of combining the multiple classifiers to solve complex problem and to improve what exactly mean performance of the model. Yeah. The process behind the random forest. What is the process? What is exact process? What is the exact process behind the random forest? Random forest is a classifier that contains a number of decision trees. Whenever you're talking about the random forest inbuilt it is having group of decision trees. Group of decision trees, right? The next one. And it just try to trees on various subsets of the given data set. It takes the average of all decision trees to improve what exactly mean? predictive accuracy of what exactly mean? Data set actually. The next one. Instead of believing on one decision tree, instead of trusting on one decision tree, the random forest takes the prediction from each tree and based on the majority votes actually, and it predicts the final output. It predicts what exactly, sir? The greater number of trees the forest leads to what exactly mean? Higher accuracy. Okay, we'll see practically. So think like this one is a training data set. Again, it is divided into, it is working with the decision tree 1, decision tree 2, decision tree 3 actually, something like this. Then finally voting classifier, and we are getting a prediction actually. You got a clarity. Why use random forest? It takes less training time, sir. Whenever you are working with the random forest, it takes very less training time actually. And compared to the other algorithms, it predicts the output with high accuracy. Okay, this is really great actually. It predicts the output with what exactly? High accuracy. Even for large data sets, it's run efficiently. There are few algorithms, that algorithms, if the data is a very high actually, it cannot load the algorithms actually. But random forest is not like that. It is a very super fast actually. It can also maintain accuracy when large proportion of data is what exactly mean? Wow, this is really good. Imagine the data having missing value. Still ML random forest works well actually. Still, that is really great actually. Okay. I'm sorry. Yeah, Chopin. It takes, sir. It takes. Though it is the testing training session actually, on an average we are running the model just for 10 seconds and 20 seconds. But let me tell you, in my company, when I run the model, general data, minimum it takes 3 to 4 days actually. The model keep on running. But if you want results in one day, you have to increase the system's capacity. It depends upon the cloud. It depends upon the system computation time actually. Okay. Yeah. How does random? Yeah, let me tell you. I hope you understand the question here. Why? Because it predicts the output in a high accuracy even for larger proportion. Think like algorithm number 1. It is giving the result in 2 days. But algorithm number random forest actually 1.5 day it will give actually. That is, I can say, fast. Sometimes hours also matter, right? Time frame. Big O notation actually. Big O notation in a data section algorithms. Okay. Random forest works in 2 phases. First, what it will, first it creates the random forest by combining the, what exactly, sir? N decision trees. Second one is make predictions for each tree, and it created in what exactly mean? First phase. Let me show you practically, you will get an idea. Steps in random forest. So this I can, so just now I have explained this example. I will cover this theory, hold on. Use case. Yeah, good man. We are going to working with one public data set actually. Make a note on this one. First, learn algorithms, how these are working over public data sets. Over what data sets, man? This is really great actually. First, you need to be understand how these are all algorithms are working with what exactly, public data sets. That is really great actually. Then in very quickly you will understand about the algorithm. Then go to the ChatGPT. Random forest, how it is working on banking domain. Random forest, how it is working on e-commerce. Sir, take some kind of some assignments for you yourself. You need to take the initiation to grab the more examples actually. To grab what exactly? More examples. Take that notation, right? Now there is a one small public data set I'm going to talk with you today. These are all public data sets. Public data sets actually. Iris flowers data set. What data set? Iris flower. So what do you mean by this iris flower? I will tell you. So there is a one forest. In that forest, there are only 3 types of flowers. Only how many types? 3 types of flowers actually. When, let me tell you, first category flower. Sir, it is having its own features. Own what exactly? Features actually. Second category. This one also having own features. Third category. This flower also having own features actually. Own features. Then based on this feature only, we can decide it is a first type of flower. Based on these features only, we can decide second type of flower. Based on this one only we can decide what exactly third type of flower. Now let me tell you, all these three types of flower having the features. Look at this one below is the features actually. Feature number one, first feature, which is nothing but a column name actually. Sepal length. What is that? Sepal length actually. Okay, sepal length. LNGTH. The next one will be sepal width. What is the next one, sir? Sepal width actually. Come on, talk with me. First one, sepal length. Next one, sepal width. Any idea what is the next one? Petal length. Petal length actually. The next one, petal width. Petal width actually. Are you clear? There are only four features. What is the first one? Sepal length, sepal width. Petal length. Based on all these features, it will decide the target value. It will decide what exactly mean? Target value actually. Okay, this is really great actually. Conclusion of the story. Let me show you what are all these are all things actually. Come on. I will talk with you. These are all. Look at the diagram first. You can take a one small flower. If you are taking this flower actually, yeah. So the one which is more width, you can see this is so called as a sepal. Sepal having length and it is having width. Same thing like that. The another one is called as a petal. I hope you might heard rose petals, right? Rose petals, right? Especially these kind of flowers having not only petals, it is having sepals. It is having sepals actually. Sepal. Now conclusion of the story, every flower having, especially in this type of scenario, sepal length, sepal width, petal length, petal width. Come on, one more time. Sepal length, good. The next one will be sepal width. The next one, petal length. The next one, petal width. Total how many features? How many? Yeah, these are four types of flowers. These are four types of flowers. The first two categories called as a setosa. First one is called as a setosa, which is representing with the 0. The second category is called as a versicolor. Okay, versicolor. These are all names actually. Third category is called as a virginica. Right. So I hope you can understand actually. Can you tell me? First one, setosa or setdosa, sir? Setosa actually. In Bangalore, I like setdosa. Very tasty actually. The next one will be versicolor. The next one will be virginica. Look at this one. I'm sure flower to flower there is a difference. Flower to flower there is a difference. That difference we can recognize based on features only. Based on, make a note on there. How many features? 4. Tell me. Sepal length, sepal width, petal length. Now what exactly we are going to do? Though we have a public data set, we are going to take this public data set. We are going to train random forest algorithm. Then random forest algorithm will understand about these three types of flowers actually. Classification. It will understand first. It will understand the first type of flower, second one, third one. Then we are going to providing 4 features. Random forest will do prediction. This one belongs to so and so category. That's what you need to understand. Make ardu sir. Come on. So let us just try to walk through. So assuming that Abhi is a person, he had an habituate which is interested to a kind of some, so species of some iris flowers that he has found actually. He has collected some measurements associated with some each iris. So which is here the length and width of petals and at the same time length and width of what exactly? Sepals. He also had a measurement of some iris which has been previously identified in the species. Setosa virginica, the next one, I'm sorry, versicolor, the next one is virginica. The goal is, what is the goal, sir? We are going to create a ML algorithm that can learn from, all measurements. These iris whose species are already well known actually. So that we can predict the species for what exactly mean? New iris, right? Now let's move on. We are entering into example, we'll get an idea. This order you need to remember. 0, 1, 2. Setosa to virginica actually, okay? Fine. So though this one is a public data set, this one is a second public data set. First one, first one, handwritten data sets. What data set? Yeah, exactly. This is data set actually we have worked, but here we are working with the flowers data set actually. Good. Maybe yesterday I have missed out loading dataset, right? Uploading dataset. Yesterday night I have uploaded actually. Did you notice? Somebody texted me like, "Arey, boss, you forget to upload the dataset." I have seen around 10, I guess, actually. Then I have uploaded. Did you notice? I'm sorry, Chodan sir. For you guys or other guys, actually? For you guys only. Here. Yes, is it this isn't? Sir, dataset is not uploaded. Sir, data. Seriously, I uploaded, sir. Come again? Yeah, boss. Maybe decision tree. Okay. Yesterday I have uploaded actually. Did I miss anything from my side till now actually? No, right? So make a note on this one. I ensure that I have uploaded up to date actually. Maybe yesterday I have missed about this data set. I have uploaded even this one yesterday itself only. Ensure that continue your practice. I request you on this one. It will be helpful for you. Srinath sir, have you seen? I mean, not here, not here. You can just have to come here actually. And here I have uploaded this. Make a note on this one. Okay, let's continue. Offline or online, Srinath? Online, I guess. Then. Okay, where are we, Daniel? So you can just have to move on. Print. Can you tell me the topic name? Random forest. Yeah. I should say thank you to you, sir. Why? Because, so thank you for reminder. Step number 1, as usual, importing the libraries. Step number 2, loading the dataset. Daniel, how to do that actually? You can just have to call this function, it returns a kind of some object. Daniel, I wanted to know total how many? How do you know how to have random forest in iris dataset actually? Sir, first of all, understand the dataset. Why? Because, though this one is a classification problem, you can apply all classification algorithm. Logistic regression you can apply. Uh, you know, I mean, multiple logistic regression you can apply. The next one will be random forest you can apply. Even decision tree you can apply. We can apply. But which algorithm, which is the best to score? K-fold cross validation. During K-fold cross validation, you will get an idea actually. Okay. As of now, keep continue. Daniel, can you tell me which algorithm at what time I need to apply? So please be patient. See, DIR of what exactly, sir? Iris. Importing the libraries, loading the dataset. These are all features. These are all attributes actually, right? Now move on. I hope you already know what is this. Very good, constant actually. So if you wanted to know the description, then you need to call. Anyway, I just wanted to know feature names. One of the attribute I wanted to call. Daniel, I wanted to see all features. All feature names. These are all features. Okay. These are all features. Sepal length, sepal width, petal length. Great, man. Great, actually. You're able to. I'm sorry. Let's take this one. Steps from 1 and what exactly, sir? 1 and 2. So we are going to work a lot. So order is important. Tell me, sepal length, sepal width, petal length. Can we do one thing? Let us just have to take this one. Let me check your Python knowledge. Let me check how good you are in Python. Demo 2.py. Let us run this one actually. Okay, we are getting these all. I just wanted to print only petal length and petal width. How to print? Index. Good. Imagine values I have changed. This value is here and this value is here and this value is here and this value is here. Again, we need to change the index. Index also good, but if you're accessing by using index, that is not a generic code actually. Excellent, man. Very good, sir. Piyush Garu. Seriously, very good actually. I'm repeating again. If you are using index, what happened, you know, sir? Imagine unfortunately values changed. Then again we need to change the index. That is not a generic code. What do you mean by generic code? You know, if data changes, code should work actually. We should not touch the code. Then let me tell you how to do actually. First of all, you can just have to print for value in values. Then you can just have to get value. Yeah, pure Python logic. I wanted to print only petal, sir. Go for if value in, I am sorry. Chapani, petal in, now here doesn't matter at all actually. Yeah, either the position change or not, it doesn't matter actually. Children, yeah, exactly you are getting. I wanted to get sepal, then what I need to do? That's it. That's it actually. Am I right? This is called as a generic code. What do you mean by generic? Generic in the sense, you no need to touch the logic, even if the data change. Even if the data position change, you no need to touch the code. All right? Right. Let's take this example. All right. Fine. Easy. Where are we, Daniel? Daniel, I wanted to see the target names. Yeah, first one, Setosa, versicolor. Is there any contain keyword? Contain keyword is not there. But I understand your question, sir. You are from Java, I guess, actually. In Java, it is available. But at least contains keyword is not available. But if you walk through at least a string, maybe let me cross verify. Contains not available, sir. CO count is available, but you can say ends with is available. Ends with, starts with, these are all things are available actually. Content is not available. In is the best, no doubt in that. Siddiq Sarji, did you understand? But the question I can understand, you are from Java. Why? Because in a Java, string class contains method. I still remember a long back, before 10 years actually. Okay. Okay, cool. Let's move on. Where are we, Daniel? I wanted to see the all target names, Daniel. Did you copy the previous example? Like getting the all features? Yeah. So this is something like, you know, Getting feature names. Same example. Can somebody talk with me? Getting? Choppan sir, getting target names actually. Then how to get it? You can just have to come here. What exactly you can do, you know? So dir of iris. Use the target name. Use attribute like this. How can you say it is an attribute? I need your help actually. Talk with me. Yeah, very good. We are accessing by using object and no parenthesis. Good. Very, very important. Can I tell you? There are some people in this universe, whatever they're talking, they will go always center point actually. I mean, always center point in the sense, you know, they will take the advantage of situation. They will talk about that situation actually. Even I'm the person. No matter whatever the topic, I will always highlight method, attribute, class, object. The moment when I started Python, especially string topic actually, till date, if you want, you can make a note actually. Always I will tell method. Maybe if I get a chance, I will tell object, attribute actually. But method is very, very important. I used to tell always. Kada? Now, so my main center point will be, you should be strong in method topic. You should be strong in method, attribute. So if you are very good actually, you can easy to understand. If you are good in Python, nothing is there, sir. Python matters. Now let me just have to print these are all. I'm sorry, man. Cool. Daniel, it's okay. Like a previously, handwritten digits, we got a data actually. Same thing like that. Can I print the data? Yeah, you can print. There is an attribute. Attribute name is called as a data. You can call the data and you can just have to see the whole data actually. Yeah, you can just have to call the data and you can just have to see the data. Sir, you will get a array. You will get a array. Total how many arrays? You know, 150 arrays you will get. How many? Array number 1, record number 1, record number 2, record number 3. Like this 150. First to 50 belongs to the setosa. I mean that flower actually. Second 50 belongs to versicolor. Third 50 belongs to virginica. That is the order actually. Can I ask a question? What is the 5.1? Yeah, very good. What is the name? Sepal length. What is this one? Second feature, sepal width. Next one, petal length. Next one, like that you need to be understand. Okay? Yeah, good. Total how many? Chappan sir, 150. How to check either it is 150 or not? Apply length. Apply length actually. Length or shape also can apply. Getting the data. Getting what exactly data? 1 minute, sir. చెప్పండి ఇప్పుడు మీ క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటి? They segregated, sir. This is the data they are giving, target they given separately. Now with all these features and target, we can create a data frame. That's what we are going to do actually. We can do that. Okay. What they done is feature name separately they given, data separately they given, target they separately given. If you want, we can combine everything and we can create a data frame. That's what we can do actually. Okay. Yeah, good. Are you clear till now? How many features? First of all are numerical data only. All are Daniel, I wanted to know the length actually. Yeah, fine, sir. Then you can just have to check the length and we can apply this. Total 150. Total 150. Yeah, 150 rows. 150 rows. Can I ask a question with your permission? What is load underscore series? Why assigning it a variable? Nice. Very nice. Good. Let's continue. Yeah, total 150. What is the length? Function. Coming from Python. What is this one? Function. Coming from scalar. You should know which function belongs to. Best example. Every function having the native place. I belongs to Andhra. You guys are belongs to Karnataka. You guys are belongs to Telangana. Same thing like that. Definitely every function born and brought up place you should understand. Print belongs to Python. Length belongs to read underscore CSV belongs to pandas actually. Very good. Make a note on this one. Knowing function is good. Knowing function, it is coming from where is the best actual. And a function, that's a more clarity. You are having more clarity actually. Make a note on this one. Upper is a method coming from string. Head is a method coming from pandas. Either it is series or data frame. Very nice. Very nice. Maintain the clarity. Through practice, Daniel, how to remember? Practice, man. That's it. Simple, I can say. Just Urge Sardaga will tell you practice. But you have to be very serious actually. Okay? For simple, I will tell practice and you have to be very serious in hearing actually. Online team, how are you, sir? Can I talk with you? A long back I spoke with you guys actually. Now I wanted to hear from everybody. Almost many people joined, more than 20 members I can see here. Can I get a response from you? How are you doing and what are you? Maybe let me talk with you for a couple of minutes. Bhavita Garu, thank you. Jalal sir, good. Srinath Garu, Jyoti boss. So how is practice going on, Charanji? Nageswara sir. Nageswara sir, how are you, sir? Thank you for being regular. Even though, so working, I know you might be busy, but still attempting the session. Supreme ma'am, I'm really good. Thank you. All right. All right. Fine, sir. Then thank you for responding, everybody. One small point, be good in practice. Everybody, either online or offline, be good in practice. That helps you. That result immediately you may not see, but one day it reflects actual. One day it reflects. Generally, the students will expect, sir, I done today practice. Today only I need job actually. No. That is a wrong assumption actually. Daniel, I done today practice 24 hours actually. What they expect, 25th hour I need offer letter. How come possible, sir? Imagine, let us take a seed actually. Whenever you are, planting the seed, you need to pour the water. It takes some time. Are you with me? We should not dig that actually. Either the seed is growing or not. No. That is a bad practice. You do your work actually. Then remaining things, it will come automatically. Okay? A small suggestion. I'm not here for motivation. Make a note on this one, but sometimes required. I'm sorry. Maybe last sentence, then let us close. Daniel, telling is easy. The next one will be, sir, I came from you only. I have done. That's what I'm standing here. I'm standing at Naresh Shetty as being a trainer, not a joke. I done practice. Now it is reflecting. Chappadam easy. Cheyadam chala kashtam anukuntunnaru kada. Very easy, sir. Cheyadam chala easy actually. Continuous practice helps you. I'm repeating again. Continuous and consistent practice is really matter actually. Are you done one time practice? Do 2 times. Daniel, I done 2 times. Do 5 times. Daniel, I done 5 times. Do 10 times. What's wrong in that actually? You don't need to pay any money actually. Zero cost, sir. What is that? Zero cost actually. Zero cost. You don't need to pay $1 also. Right? Let me stop my overreaction actually. Somebody said this actually. That's okay. Just kidding. Good. Daniel, with all this data, can we create a data frame in your hand? Feature names would you have? Data you do have? Target names would you have? Meer adigaru kada sir. Now you can create a data frame. Any idea what is a data frame? Talk with me. Class. I feel so happy. Why? Because you know this data frame is the class, predefined class actually. Come on. Daniel, with all these things, I'm planning to create a data frame. You can do. Generally not required, but out of curiosity, you can create actually. Good. Chopin sir, import. Till now, if anyone don't know how to import the pandas, please sir, I have no words actually. I have no words to say. Daniel, why data frame? You can apply a lot of operations. That's the beauty with the data frame. Any developer more comfortable with the data frame. Talk with me. Any data scientist. Best example, you are joining in a data science project. First, you like to work with the data frame. First point will be you like to work with. Why? Because data frame is awesome. You can apply almost all operations actually. Am I right, Kadhi sir? All basic operations you can apply. Sorting you can apply. Group by you can apply. Many things you can apply actually. Filtering you can apply. Beautiful, beautiful actually. More to the next one. Any idea? Left hand side, if you're able to see this syntax means adding. Very good, boss. Let us add actually. Wow, data frame is ready. Now, imagine I have given this data frame. I have given this data frame. What are all basic operations you can apply? Imagine this data frame I have given to you actually. What are all basic operations you can apply? Chapandi. You can apply head, you can apply tail actually, and any other column names you can apply, shape you can apply. Very good. Group by you can apply. And especially you can apply filtering logic also. Why? Because you know target, zeroth how many, one how many, two how many. You can separate, sir. Am I right? Yeah. Can I ask a question? How to separate this target of zero actually? Any idea? Df of target. Very good. Double equals to 0. Do you think you will get an output actually? Boolean value. You will get what exactly, sir? Boolean value. But I need a result. Df of. Create a condition. Apply the condition. Then you will get what exactly? No? Yeah. These are all pandas basic operation. See? All zeros. Can I apply 1? Chappan, sir. Can I apply 2? What is my next question? Can I apply 3? Very good. Do you think it will get error actually? No, sir. Very good. Empty data frame. Empty data frame. See, these are all pandas operations. Be strong in pandas. Okay. I'm sure we done these are all a kind of some created a data frame. Siddiq Sarji, a small suggestion, do pandas 2 to 3 times revision, you will get an idea. Especially filtering topic. Yeah. So make a note on this one. Tim, how many rows and columns? 150 rows and 5 columns. I wanted to know only rows and columns actually. How to get it? Shape attribute. Okay. Yeah, good. Just now I covered. You know, target of 0, Daniel, I wanted to print. Yes, you can print. Daniel, target of 1, I wanted to print. Target of 0, length, I wanted to print. It's okay. Let us implement one by one. You will get an idea. Okay, cool. Then Daniel, can I get all target equals to 0? First, this one is a condition. Can I get your help actually? DF of top 50 values. Perfect, sir. Daniel, I wanted to know length actually. Am I right? Talk with me. What is the total? 50. Filtering. What is the first one? Setosa. I mean, filtering first type of flower. Yeah. Same story, sir. What is the next one? Second type of flower. What I need to apply here? 1. The next one will be filtering third type of flower. It's okay, cool. So third type of flower. 0 type, anything you can say. And here what value I need to provide? 2 actual. Let me tell you one small logic today. Daniel, you are changing every time one value. Yeah, good. Here 1. Here you are changing 2. I don't want to change, Daniel. I have to write one program. I wanted to filter all 0 separated, 1 separated, 2 separated actual. How you can implement, Come again. Chappan sir, target values. No, sir. First point, what exactly we are doing is, target is a name of the, name of the column we are adding, and for that column we are adding these are all values actually. So. mm, But if else if at a time only one condition executes actually. Which one? Very good. Let us try. Let us try actually. Good. First of all, what we need to do is get all unique values actually. All unique equals to df of, okay, target of, did you remember? Unique method you can apply. What method you can apply? Then you can just have to print this un. Wow. 0, 1, 2. Then create a for loop. Create what exactly? For loop. Okay. For a kind of some value in un, and here just try to create a condition. That condition would be condition equals to Daniel df of any idea? Df of Chappan sir, yeah, very good. The value, no, df of target equals to value. Now here print of df of condition. Previously, instead of hard coding one by one, here in one shot we are iterating actually. Are you clear? Very good. Previously you hard coded actually, like a 0, 1, 2, like this. Tell me, boss. And, yeah. My motto will be I don't want to hard code. I don't want to hard code 0, 1, 2. I wanted to take by default. Yeah. You are ready. You have taken all values here actually 0, 1, 2. You are iterating everything and you are passing here actually. Best logic. Getting right? Yeah. Let's run. Let's execute this example. Wow. Very good, man. See, in one shot we are getting all these things. Yeah, good, Daniel. First 0 for loop actually. First iteration. Second iteration for loop value is the 1. Third iteration for loop value is what exactly? 2 actually. Very nice. Sir, if you guys closely observe this logic actually, nothing is there pure Python logic. Previously, without for loop, single iteration, but by using for loop, all iterations one by one actual. Why? Because I don't want to hard code every time 0 change the value, 1 change the value, 2 change the value. I don't want that hardaway actually. Then keep all the values in one list, iterate the values one by one, pass the value, cinema is over actual. I'm sure you got a clarity. Am I right? These are all, can I tell you, pure Python logics. If you want, you can store it actually. Create a separate empty list, assign it to the df1, df2, df3. That is still possible. Use append method, right? You can do actually. That's really great. Daniel, why you done these are all hard already? Go to the group by. Go to, still possible actually. Don't ask what is group by actually, please. We done actually, right? So two. Taking one set and keep 100 in one set and 100 to 1 in another. Sir, first of all, please understand this logic. Previously, did you remember I'm hard coding? Now here, instead of hard coding, the target values we are storing one small variable. Then here I upload unique actually. Then here the output will be, what is output actually, sir? The output would be 0, 1, 2. Now by using for loop, I am iterating this one. What is the first value? 0. 0 is the first value. Then condition I am creating with the first 0. Then I am passing to the data frame. Then condition of 0. Iteration done and it is printing first data frame. Iteration number 2. 1 value. Yeah, Daniel, 1 value. We are passing 1 actual. That's the logic. You got it, I guess. Okay. Let's take this example. Filtering all. Filtering based on target. Daniel, is it important? Sir, we are just playing with the data, that's it. We are just playing with the data frame operations. A data frame operation. You can check the length also, you can check actual. Length, at the same time length also you can check. Any idea what is a unique method? Where I covered in series I have covered actually. In series we have covered. Let me tell you. Let me remind. Unique function would you have, unique method also would you have. If you want, you can cross verify. Function also we covered actual. Function also we covered. All customer names I need there is a one data set, all product names, all customer name. I need a unique value. PD dot unique I applied actual. I hope, right? I still remember. All right, go back. All 50 values. Daniel, you are accessing first type of data. You are filtering first type of the data. Head method. I don't want to print the 50. That's what I'm using head. What is a head? Nice. Without method discussion, I cannot close the session actually. 150. Sorry, 50. The next one will be, why red color? Keyword. Yeah, make a note on this one. DF of 2. Target value is the 2. Perfect, sir. This we are not using, but anyway we can do actually. Daniel, can I add flower name? Like can I add a one column? The column can be flower name actually. First of all, it is a categorical data. What data? We are not using this one. You can ignore this step actually. But if you want, you can add a name of the column also. If you want, you can do what exactly, sir? Name of the column also. Daniel, how to add actually? Already there is a one attribute name is called as a flower name actually. If you want, you can just have to go back and we are just trying to taking that flower name. Df dot target of any idea applies a method. Applies a method actually. Apply of method. Daniel, when you can go for lambda? If it is a only one time purpose uses, go for the lambda function. So here my requirement will be, I just wanted to iterate from the iris. There is a one target underscore names actually. 150 values I do have. I wanted to add one by one to very quickly in a data frame column actually. then yes, you can go for this one actually. This X means every column name. I mean, every name set as a first time, set as a second time, set as a third time, like this actually. Did you understand or not, sir? Right. I know here you need to be understand little through practice you can understand. Apply is a predefined method. By using that, you can apply customized function. What function? Customized function actually. Yeah, man. Look at my screen. Yeah, good. Sepal length, sepal width. Petal length, petal width. Target value, flower name. Daniel, why this is not important? First of all, why any idea? Why? Because categorical data. For this one, already we have a numerical data. Then what is the use of this one? Then you can use this one actually. But showcase. Can I add this one actually? You can add. You can add if you want. If you didn't understand this step also, no problem at all. Don't leave the session actually. No problem at all. Sir, this is what actually. Now we are creating separate data frame. Hey Daniel, can I separate all the data frames? You know, all jurors will be one data frame. Yeah, you can do actually. Any idea what I'm using? Slicing. What is that? Yeah. If you want, you can separate. Or first type of flower 50 rows. Second type of flower 50 rows. Right? But we are not using, sir. These are all I have done just for your better understanding. We are filtering. We are just trying to applying filtering actually. Yeah, man. Same thing like that. Daniel, can I apply the next one versicolor? Separation. These are all separation actually. Same thing like that. Can I apply for the third one? That's the beauty with the coding actually. If you understand one example, other examples it will be similar. If you're not providing the last value, it means to say that till access to the last value. Till access till last value. Very good. Splitting, sir, cinema is ready. Splitting the data set. Yeah. So I'm sure you already know. Then get ready. Maybe this is not much important. Any idea step number 3? I need your help, sir. Step number 3, data preparation. Sir, మీరు అర్థమైందా? మీరు ఏదో క్వశ్చన్ అడిగారు. Yeah, good. I'm sorry. So I forget to ask you. Uh, where is that? X and Y. Just try to prepare X and Y actually. X equals to df of drop up. Yeah, target you can drop. Flower names you can drop. Why? Because separate all input actually. Separate all. What exactly mean? Yeah, you know, I need only these 4 columns. You can separate. You can separate. Then you can just have to take target also. One student asked one question. The question will be, Daniel, instead of dropping, I will take a data frame. I will select all these name of the columns. Absolutely fine. Up to you. Absolutely fine. Up to you. Can I get a response? Yeah, make a note on this one. But here, this is a really good operation. We are just trying to, so in working with the data frame, we are dropping. Here you will get an idea what is not required, what is required, what is not required actually. Okay, cool. We done almost all these steps actually. Come on. Importing the libraries, loading the data set, data preparation. Step number 4. I'm sure these steps are helping you to quickly to understand all ML algorithms actually. Make a note on this one. If these steps are not available, ayo sir, you need to cry actually. Import this function. Now call this function. What is the ratio? Any idea? Yeah, come on, tell me. 80-20, correct. Can I give here 8 actually? Why? A very good boss. Test data set should be always small scale data set actually. Train data set should be always. First of all, syntactically you never get any error, but wrong practice. What practice? Wrong practice. Splitting the data set also done, Daniel actually. Any idea what is the next step? Model? Wow. Any idea what is this one? How can you say? Very good, man. You guys became very good actually. I feel so happy. Model creation. Model equals to random underscore classifier. Here is the beauty. So point number 1. Random forest classifier. Internally it contains group of decision trees. Internally it contains group of. By default, if you are creating this object, by default, random forest classifier class, it will call boss, come 100 decision trees. By default value is what exactly? 100. 100 decision trees it will work actually. But small data set, 100 decision trees not required. If you want, you can specify, hey, I don't want 100 decision trees. For me, 30 or 40 is enough. Then explicitly here you need to specify n underscore estimators. Chaptara, what is that one? N underscore estimators equals to 40. Indirectly we are telling to the random forest classifier, hey, random forest classifier, don't take 100 decision trees. For our small scale data set, 40 is fine. My favorite syntax. Good. That's the meaning actually. N underscore estimators means number of decision trees. If you want, look at this one. N underscore estimators equals to 40 parameter defines the number of trees. During interview, they will ask a question. What is the default decision trees? Default decision trees, how many? 100. Interview question. If you want, you can customize. When they were creating this class, they were created a constructor. In constructor, they followed the syntax default parameter syntax. What parameter syntax? In default parameter, they hard coded 100 value. Now we are replacing. Old value will be replaced with what value? New value. That's the logic in the behind. Easy man. If you know Python, you can think the code actually, how they have written in the backend. Yeah, very good. Come on. Can I hear from your sweet voice actually? Come on, let us read everyone. Importing libraries. Good, like a song you are singing actually. Nice. What is the next step? Model training. We are good to go. Go back. Once after model, we are calling, and to train the model, what is the method name? This is the beauty. Till deep learning, to train the model, we need to call a method. Method name is called as a fit method. They followed nice strategy. Algorithm name is the same. For training, same method. For prediction, same method actual. For training, same method, and for prediction, if they have given different algorithm, different method for a training, different method for a prediction, అయ్యో సార్ we need to break our head actual. ఈ మెథడ్స్ అన్ని మనం గుర్తుంచుకోలేక, so we may not remember all these methods actual. Can I get a response from you? Then we are really happy to train the model. We need to call a method. Method name is a, to do the prediction, we need to call a method. Method name, that's it. That's it. Good. We are good to go. Then model training. Step number 6. Model dot fit of. Do you think X comma Y? Then what is the use of train underscore test underscore split actually? Talk with me. X underscore train. The next one will be Y underscore. That's it. Are you using Notepad only? Notepad or Notepad plus plus or Jupyter? Jupyter? Good. Continue. One small suggestion. If anyone wanted to become trainer, practice in Notepad actually. Practice in, you will understand that you will get the command automatically. Subject may the command automatically goes. If anyone data science job actually, use Jupyter. Use what exactly? Jupyter actually. Anything is fine, sir. But I don't know. I love Notepad, Notepad plus plus. These are all steps from 1 to chapter 6 within. Sir, Daniel, prediction time. What time actually? Prediction time. Come on, let us do the prediction. Sir, try to get the score actually. Then there is a method. Method name is called as a score. You can call this method and it returns the score actually. Special step. Model score. Very good, sir. 96%. How much? Sir, small suggestion. Slowly by slowly, you have to improve your typing practice. You have to improve your typing skills actually. Daniel, how to improve practice? Through practice only. You can check some YouTube. There are some, tips you can get actually. Why? Because, many freshers are asking, Are Daniel, how fast you are doing, typing actually? No jantra mantar. I done nice practice, so over keyboard we can play the game actually. Very simple, right? So until you get a typing కంటే అది సరిపోతుంది. Monkey typing, something like that. It will tell where you need to keep your fingers actually, like this. But initially you will get a pain. Here and here you will get a pain actually. First you can buy the Jendu bomb actually. Then, sorry for getting. Then start practice. Whenever you are getting pain, apply actually. Then you can start again. First to 5 days is horrible. But once you are comfortable, you will become master actually. There are some levels. Lower, next one higher. So First, I worked in typing mission. Do you know about the typing mission actually? Ayyo sir, bubbles వచ్చేసాయి అనమాట actually. Very yeah, very hard actually. If you know how you practicing in a typing mission actually, these are all Britannia, right? Yeah. Sorry for kidding. Sorry for kidding. Anyway, come on, back to the session. Daniel, it's the right time for prediction. Then you need to call a predict method, boss. Now, you created a model by providing the four features: sepal length, sepal width, petal length. While doing prediction, you need to provide the same thing. What is the 4.8? Sepal length. What is the 0.3? Petal. You should make a note actually. That's what I'm telling. Yeah, you are giving the values and it is doing very good. It is telling directly first type of flower. Means set those, I guess, actually, right? Yeah. Set those. Prediction with the model. What happened? Oh, any idea why warning? You guys understand, I guess, actually. You can come here. What we need to do? Dot values. You can apply here. Dot values. Anyway, to do the testing, you need to take X test actually. But I'm taking as of now, single value. All right. Very good. Very good, man. Steps from 1 to 7. Do practice, sir. Do practice. You can depends on running nodes actually. Algorithm is over. Don't miss tomorrow session. Tomorrow topic will be without that one, there is no real-time project actually. Forget about interview. There is no real-time project. That much very, very important actually, right? So fine then. We done today's session. Do I need to upload the data set today? Cool. Come on, you please start. Let you go actually. Please take care. And don't miss tomorrow's session. Let me upload material and running notes. Then next one will be, let me update here comments actually. Comment section. It should be Daniel, random forest. Make it bold. Let me upload running notes. That's it. No. అక్కడ ఆఫ్ చేస్తే కదులుతుంది కదా. we can stop by using this. Okay. I'm online team. I'm sorry. I'm talking with the admin actually. Thank you. We done today's session. Yeah, చెప్పండి సార్.